Hello guys, today we want to paint a police car. Which one of you would like to be a police officer in the future? Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go to coloring. Black. Dark blue. Orange. Sky blue. See you in the next video. Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw a fire truck and an ambulance. First, we start with a large rectangle like this. 2 circles to show the wheels of the car. Then we draw the driver's cabin. It has special tools to help people. The truck has a tall ladder to reach high places. There are hoses on the truck to spray water. Also, it has a loud siren to warn people. A fire truck is big and red. Firefighters ride in the fire truck. It carries water to stop fires. Fire trucks come quickly when there is an emergency. The fire trucks helps keep everyone safe. Fire trucks are known for their red color. Now, it's time to draw the ambulance. We will start with 2 circles to show the ambulance's wheels. Then, like this. And now, we will draw the ambulance's window. Takes it or hurt people to the hospital. The ambulance has a loud siren to move in traffic. There are beds inside the ambulance for patients. With bright lights.
The wheels on the bus.
Yeah! The lights on the ambulance flash red and blue.
Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep.
It helps people who need quick medical care. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.